Gurudev children, all of you sit straight. Let's begin our session with a prayer. All of you join your palms, close your eyes for the morning prayer. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwaraha, Guru Sakshat Para Brahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarubini Vidyarambam Karishyami Siddhit Bhavatu Me Sada. Yes. Happy morning, children. Jai Gurudev. Yes, today we are going to have our computer science session. Okay, today we are going to have our computer science session. Yes, yes, we are going to know about new different things. Yes, children? Yes? Yes. Okay. So, did you all have your breakfast? Did you all have your breakfast? Raise your hand. Let me see how many of you had your breakfast. Yes? Raise your hand, children. Let me see how many of you had your breakfast. Yes? I can see only few hands are lifted up. Yes, all of you be very brisk. Yes? Early morning you should be very brisk, isn't it? Yes or no? Yes? Yes, very good. Now I can slowly see, many hands are lifted up. Very good. Superb. Yes, okay. Today we are going to have a computer science session. Okay. So, before knowing about computers, I will tell you few rules that you should follow while you are working with your. Okay. Few rules should be followed while you are working with your computer. Yes, children? Yes. Okay. Let's see what are the rules. Okay. Yes. Wash your hands before you use the computer. So, before using your computer, what you should do, children? Your hands should be clean. Okay, you should not like go play and then come and use the computer with the same dirty hands. Okay, you should wash your hands and your hands should be clean while you are working with the computer. Okay, children? Yes? Okay, so now next is do not bring food or water next to the computer. Do not bring food or water next to the computer. So, while you are working with your computer or while you are listening, some of you will be listening online class, in front of the computer, isn't it? Using your computer, you will be listening to online class. Isn't it, children? Yes. So at that time, if you want to have water also, you should step out and then you should sit in front of the computer. Okay, children? You should not use your computer while you are having food or water. Okay? Yes. Now, the next is very, very important thing for you all. Next is very important one. What is that, Use the computer for school activities. For what you're going to use the computer? For what you're going to use the computer? Only for school activities. Okay, you should use the computer only for school activities. All of you open your mouth and say, you should use the computer for school activities, for listening to online class, or any work related with studies only, you should use your computer. Okay? You should not use your computer often for playing games. Yes? Yes. Okay. Then you should treat the computer with care. You should treat the computer with care. See, I have seen many children, you will be just tapping at the keys in the keyboard very harshly. Isn't it? Some children will do that. Yes, in the play mode, you will just take the keyboard and you will just press the keys very harshly. You should not do that. Okay, you should handle your computer. You should treat the computers with care. Okay, and you should share the computer with your Here it's mentioned as classmates. You should share your computer with your brother or sister. Yes, you should not say, today I had my computer science session, so ma'am told me to use the computer, so I myself will occupy the computer today. No, you should share your things. Yes, children, you all know, no, sharing is come on, I'm waiting for your answers in chat. Sharing is what? Caring. Yes, Nandana, absolutely. Yes. Tivashnavi Shai. Yes? Very good. Okay. Now, yes, Ojasvi, absolutely. Now, ma'am will just recall the rules. Listen carefully. You should wash your hands before you use the computer. Okay, before using the computer, you should wash your hands. And then, if you want to take printouts or anything, you should ask your parents' help when you're in home. Okay, parents or any elderly person's help. You should not do it on your own. Okay, children? Yes? And do not bring food or water next to the computer. You should not bring food or water next to the computer. Then you should treat the computers with care. You should treat the computers with care. Yes. Then what? You should use the computer for school activities only. You should use the computer for what? Only school activities. Okay. Then you should share the computer with your classmates or brother or sister. Okay, whoever it may be, you should share your computer. Yes, very good, Shailesh. Yes, you will share with your elder brother, isn't it? Very good. Super. Okay, children. So these are the rules. Okay. Today we are going to see about types of computer. Before that, ma'am will just recall what is a computer. Okay, before that, ma'am will just recall what is a computer. Okay, a computer is an electronic device. Now, everyone open your mouth and say, a computer is an electronic device. Yes, I want everyone to sit straight. Come on, everyone sit straight. Yes, I can see a few children. Exactly three children are not sitting straight. I want everyone to sit straight, Kana. Yes? Yes, superb. Now listen, a computer is an electronic device which can be used for, yes, all of you repeat after ma'am. A computer is an electronic device. A computer is an electronic device. Okay, before that, I want Nandarakshan of 2D to unmute yourself. Girija ma'am, release the lock for Nandarakshan of 2D. Nandarakshan. Is Nandarakshan here? Yes. Nandarakshan, you can unmute yourself now, dear. Yes, Nandarakshan. You can unmute yourself now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Nandarakshan, did you unmute yourself?
Ma'am.
But I can't hear you, dear. Happy morning, Nandarakshan.
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning.
Yes, happy morning. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, okay, Nandarakshan. In last class, ma'am told you who is the father of computer? Who is the father of computer? Do you know? Yes?
Charles Babbage.
Wow, wonderful, Nandarakshan. Super. Very good. Claps for you. Yes, very good. Very good, Kanna. You can go on mute. Yes. Okay. See, many of you have replied. Avanishwar, Tivashna Visai, Kanitra. Yes, Nandana. Yes, very good, dear. Super. Yes. Okay. So, Charles Babbage is the father of computer. You all know that, isn't it? Yes, apart from those who are no sending in chat, I can even see some children. No, they are opening their mouth, and they are answering. They don't know to type in chat, isn't it? That's not a problem. See, ma'am can hear from you all also. Okay, children, don't think that no, I can't type. I don't know to type. Don't think like that. Okay, even if you open your mouth and answer also, ma'am can hear that. Okay. Yes, this claps for everyone. Yes. Okay, superb. So, a computer is an electronic device. What is a computer? A computer is an electronic device which can be used. For what all you will use a computer? For what all the things you will use the computer? You can do calculations. Yes? Yes, drawing, calculation. Your favorite, playing games, painting, playing, yes, very good. Playing games you will use, yes. Then learning, yes. Then watching videos. You will also watch videos, isn't it? Using your computer. Yes, yes. Is Sanjay Krishna here? Sanjay Krishna of 2D? Sanjay Krishna? Puvidi, kindly mute yourself, Kanna. Puvidi, kindly go on mute. Yes, is Sanjay Krishna here? Yes? No, okay. Vidat. Vidat of 2D is here? Vidat. Good morning, Vidat.
Good morning.
Why? Your voice is very low. I want a loud good morning. Yes? Good morning.
Ma'am.
Yes, Vidat. Okay, now, which part of the computer you use to listen to music? Which part of the computer? Yes, Vidat?
CPU.
Yes? A bit louder? Which part of the computer you will use for listening to music, Anna?
CPU.
CPU. No. See, which part you will use for listening? Speaker. Repeat after ma'am.
Speaker.
Speaker. Okay, from speaker only. Yes, you can listen to music loudly, isn't it? Ma'am told you no last class. Okay, you should know this. Okay, speaker. Say speaker. Yes. Okay, Padmesh of 2F, kindly go on mute, Kana. Yes, Padmesh of 2F, kindly mute yourself. Yes, Padme. Okay, with that, superb. Yes, very good. Okay, superb. You should know that it is speakers. Okay, children? Yes. Okay, so a computer is used for doing calculations, playing games, yes, learning, watching videos, movies, and then storing data. Yes, for these things we are using our computer. A computer is a what device? It's an electronic device. It's an electronic device. Yes? Okay. So now we will see what are the, yes, very good children. What are the types of computer? Okay, we will see what are the types of computer. Yes? Yes. Now I want Kritik Bala of 2F to unmute yourself. Kritik Bala of 2F is here? Yes? Kritik Bala?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Kritik Bala. Okay, can you tell me any two parts of computer? Any two parts of computer? Any two you can say. Yes?
CPU. And keyboard.
Okay, Kritik Bala. Yes, wonderful. Yes, these are the parts of computer, isn't it? Very good, Kritik Bala. Super. Thank you. You can go on. Yes, very good. Okay, is Krishwant here? Krishwant?
Ma'am.
Happy morning, Krishwan.
Happy morning, ma'am.
Yes, Krishwan. Yes, can you tell me any two parts of computer other than what Kritik Bala told?
Mouse,
Okay.
monitor.
Wow, superb, Krishwan. Thank you. Very good. Super. Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Kanna. Okay. Is Kishore Kumar here? Kishore Kumar? Kishore Kumar is here?
Sajid Krishna, ma'am.
Yes, Kanna, you can wait for your turn. Yes, everyone will get turn. Yes, Kishore Kumar is here? Kishore Kumar. Okay, fine. Okay, so now children, now we are going to see about types of computer. About what we are going to see? Types of computer. So what is the first type? Supercomputer. What is the first type? Supercomputer. Everyone open your mouth and say supercomputer. Supercomputer. Yes. So, can you all see in the picture, children? Supercomputers are very big in size. Can you all see? They are very big, no? They are very, very big in size. The supercomputer, they are very big in size. And you know, they can do operations very fast. Yes, they can do operations. What all the work you are giving to it, they will do very fast. They are very big, no? The supercomputer. Can you imagine, children? If we are having supercomputer in our home, how it will be? If we are having supercomputer in our home, that's all. We should allot one room for our supercomputer, isn't it? Yes, very big. No, it is. Yes. Okay, but it will fill the room. Yes, Divashna Visai. Yes, it's very big. Yes, super. So, but it can do no operations, any work. No, they can do very, very fast. The supercomputer can do work very fast. Okay, and then it runs on electricity. Okay, with electric current only it will run. Okay, it will get operated, only runs by electricity. All of you open your mouth and say electricity. Okay, the supercomputers are very big and they are work very fast. Okay, they are 1,000 times efficient. How many times? 1,000 times. Okay, they are 1,000 times very, very efficient in doing their work. Yes, very good, Dharani. It runs on electricity. Very good. So where they will use the supercomputers? You want to know? It's very big. No, where they use the supercomputers? No, they are used by scientists. They were used by scientists. Yes. Who all wants to become scientist? Raise your hand. Who all wants to become scientist? Yes. Wow, so many scientists are there in my class. Yes, very good. They are used by scientists, researchers, okay, and by big companies, very big companies are there, no? There and NASA. So what is NASA? NASA means what? It's National Aeronautics and Space Administration. That is the meaning for NASA. Okay, what is the meaning for NASA? National Aeronautics. What is aeronautics, children? Aeronautics means what? Yes? It's nothing but it's the practice of building and flying aircraft. Okay, it's a practice of building and flying aircraft. So NASA means National Aeronautics and Space Administration. Okay, that is the meaning for NASA. Okay, children. So these supercomputers were more efficient, 1,000 times more efficient. Yes, that's all about supercomputer. Yes, it's very, very big in size. Okay, now we will have desktop computer. What we will have? Desktop computer. Yes. Yes. Okay. So this desktop computer you all will be knowing, isn't it? Many of you will have this in your home. Yes. They are just smaller than supercomputers. See, they are not that big, isn't it? They are smaller than supercomputers, and they are used at where they are using where these computers are used. You will know, you would have noticed in schools, in our school, isn't it? Yes, schools, offices. Your mummy daddy will go for office, yes, that they will use this desktop computer, and in shops also, in medical shops, in departmental stores, you could have seen. Yes, supermarket, very good. There you could have seen, isn't it? Yes. So, and also where we will use in our home also, it's there, isn't it? Yes, I'm raising my hand. In my home I have desktop computer. How many of you have in your home? Raise your hand. Let me see how many of you are having desktop computer. Yes, okay. It runs on electricity. This desktop computer also will run on what? Electricity. Okay, yes. So what are the things, what are the parts of computer we have along with? You will have mouse, we will have keyboard, yes, we will have speakers, yes, isn't it? We will have all these things, CPU and UPS. Yes, these are the things that will come along with desktop computer, which we are having in our home. Yes, children, by what it will... Yes, just a minute. Ma'am will share the screen. Yes? Okay. So these are the things that we have with desktop computer. Okay. Sharjit Krishna of 2E. Sharjit Krishna of 2E. Yeah. Grija ma'am, can you please release the lock for him? Yes. Sharjit Krishna. Girija ma'am, are you there? Can you release the lock for him?
Yes, ma'am. Wait, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Sharjit Krishna, can you unmute yourself, Kana?
Ma'am?
Yes, good morning, Sharjit.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, Sharjit, I'll ask you a question, okay? Okay? CPU is called as the heart or brain of the computer. CPU is the heart or brain of the computer. CPU is heart or brain of the computer.
What, ma'am?
CPU is the heart or brain?
Heart, ma'am.
Heart?
Brain.
Brain, very good, super. CPU is the brain of the computer. Yes, Sharjit. Wonderful. Thank you, Kana. Claps for me. Very good. Yes, CPU is the brain of the computer. Okay. Okay, Sharjit. Thank you. So now, desktop computer, it's having CPU, it's having UPS, speakers, keyboard. Isn't it, children? Yes, we all know about desktop computer. Now we will see the next type of computer. Yes? What is there on the screen? Laptop. What is there on the screen? Laptop. Everyone are knowing, no? Very good. Yes, laptop. Very good. So, this laptop, no? They are much smaller than desktop. Okay, laptops, many of you will be having it in your home, isn't it? So they are smaller than desktop and they can be placed on our lap. Yes? Yes, many of you are having. Wonderful. Okay, there you can place this laptop on your lap. Okay, but they are similar to desktop in doing its functions. What are the things you can do using desktop? You can use using your laptop also. Okay, children, and one special thing is there. What is that? You know, it has a touch pad. Yes, it has a touch pad. Okay, with that you can touch using your finger and you can move the cursor on the screen. Yes, this option is not there in desktop, but in laptop you have a touch pad. What you have? Touch pad. All of you open your mouth and say touchpad. Very good. And this laptop also runs on electricity. Like supercomputer, desktop, this laptop also runs on electricity. And you know, you can charge this laptop. What you can do, children? You can charge this laptop. Yes, you all know, no? You will put your laptop in charge. Yes? Yes. Then they are very light in weight. You can carry it wherever you want to go. Yes, you can carry it and go. So this laptop is very compact and they are very, very light. Okay. And this laptop is also used in schools, offices. Yes. And we can use for our personal use also. Okay. Yes. Okay. Is Shravan here? Shravan of 2E? Shravan of 2E here? Yes, Shravan? Shravan of 2E. You can unmute yourself, Kanna. Shravan KS of 2E. Yes? Yes, Shravan? You can unmute yourself, Shravan. Okay, fine. Shriyash is here. Shriyash P. Shriyash, you can unmute yourself, Shriyash. Shriyash, are you there?
Yes, ma'am, but they are not muting.
Yeah, they are not unmuting. Okay, ma'am. Okay, fine then. Okay, children. So these are the things we saw about supercomputer. Then we saw about desktop computer. And then we are seeing about laptop computer, isn't it? Yes. Now still more types are there. Okay, Nachi ma'am will come and continue with that. Yes, children. Over to Nachi ma'am.
Yes, thank you, Kanchana ma'am. Yes, children. Yes, and now I'm going to continue with the types of computer, right? So, what are the 3 types of computer we learned before? The first one is supercomputer, right? It is very big in size and runs very fast. It works very fast, right? And next is desktop computer. Right? And right? And I idea about that now. Tablet, PC means personal computer, right? So tablet is a wireless portable means what? We can take it to any place, right? We can move that, we can take it to any place. That is portable with a touch screen like our mobile phones, like our laptop, right? So tablet is a wireless portable personal computer, right? So tablet is a wireless portable personal computer, and see, it is slightly smaller, right? And it weighs less than the laptop, isn't it? It is way less than the laptop, and it is bigger than the smartphone, right? Yes. So it runs on electricity, can be charged with an adapter. So it runs on battery, it can be charged, right? And see the difference between the desktop and this tablet computer. See, in desktop computer, you'll be having mouse, isn't it? You'll be having mouse connected to it, you'll be having keyboard, right? But in this tablet, personal computer, all the works what we do are done with touch screen, right? We can do in touch screen. We can do touch screen. Okay. And what's a special feature about this tablet computer? You know? Can anyone know? Do anyone know this? What's the special feature about this? Yes. What's the special feature about this? Do anyone know this? Yes, it has stylus. You know, it can run with your finger touch or a pen-like instrument. You can use a pen-like instrument to write, to draw, right? Or you can note down, or can move or scroll, right? Using that stylus. What is that? Stylus. I want all my children to open your mouth and say stylus. So with the help of the stylus, you can write or draw or note down something in the tablet, right? What is the name of that? Everyone open your mouth and say stylus, right? Yes, okay, good. Yes, and it is mainly used for personal work. Yes, it's mainly used for your personal work, to watch videos, to watch movies, to play games, and for official works. For your mother or your father is working something, they can use them, right? So we'll see one more time what is the tablet PC means. It is a wireless portable computer, right? Yes. So all the works are done with touchscreen or a pen-like instrument. The pen-like instrument is called, what is that? Stylus. Right. Very good. Super. Yes. And next we move on to the next type of computer. What is that? This is personal digital assistant. I want all my children to open your mouth and repeat after ma'am. Personal digital assistant. Personal digital assistant. It's a handheld personal computer. Handheld means what? You can keep it in your hand, right? You can keep it in your pocket, you can keep it in your hand. That is handheld. You can't do the laptops and all, right? You can keep it in your hand. That is handheld, right? So this device is released in 2004. It's like a notebook. So for taking notes and all, we'll take a notebook while ma'am is teaching, you will write down, right? So your father and mother, for important dates and all, they will be noting down in the diaries and all, isn't it? Important dates, function dates, birthday dates, right? All the informations will be written on that diary, isn't it? Like that, so personal digital assistant is used to note down the address, right? Appointments, calendar, what are the things you can do, you can maintain here in personal digital assistant, like a notebooks. We are writing notebooks manually, isn't it? The same thing can be done with this device, with this personal computer. That is called personal digital assistant. You have camera also in this. Digital camera will be here. In this, you can take photos, you can play books, can download books, can play songs, right? Yes. Okay. So what is the name of this device? Personal digital assistant. PDA. In short form, we'll say it as PDA, right? And now we move on to the next type. What is that? You all aware of this, right? Each and everyone is having this device, right? What is this? What is this? Smartphone. Yes? Everyone is having smartphone in their hand, right? Okay, so we are going to see about this now. So smartphone is a handheld device. So obviously we are having in our hand, right? You can keep it in your pocket, right? So it's a handheld device. So PDA, personal digital assistant, tablet and smartphones. These are handheld device. You can keep it in your hand and you do your works, right? Handheld device. And smartphones are smaller than a tablet. See, this is tablet, isn't it? This is bigger. So see this? It's a smartphone which is smaller than tablet PC. Yes, and touch screen. We do have that option. Touch screen functions with finger touch, right? And mainly used for your personal works as well as official works, right? And it also runs on electricity and can be charged with a mobile charger. So if the power is low, Yes, you will be charging that your mobile, isn't it? Yes, okay. And you have in your smartphones, you will be having inbuilt camera, speakers, right? You all well known about the smartphone, isn't it? Okay, so these are the few types of computer. The first one is supercomputer, the second one is desktop computer, and the third one is laptop, and the fourth one tablet, 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 personal computer, right? And the fifth one, what is this? Can anyone unmute and say? What is the name of this device? What is the name of this device? What is that? I want all my children to open your mouth and say, what is that? Personal digital assistant. I could see many of you are not opening your mouth. Open your mouth and say, what is this? Personal digital assistant. In short form, what we call this as? PDA, right? PDA. Okay, good. And the next type is smartphone. Smartphone. So we have seen 5 types of computers, right? And I want answer in the chat box. Tell me, what are the 3 handheld personal computers? I want answers in chat box. What are the 3 handheld computer? Are you getting answers, ma'am? Handheld computer. Ma'am,
Yes,
tell you what is
got it.
handheld, right? Yes. Very good. Yes, smartphone, PDA, that is personal digital assistant, and tablet, right? Tablet. Okay. Very good. Yes. And I going to ask you one more question. Which is the biggest and fastest computer? Let me know in the chat box. Which is the biggest and fastest computer?
Yes, superb. Many are answering, ma'am. Yes,
Very
many are
good.
answering in chat and many are opening their mouth and answering. Very good. Superb.
Clap hands for both of them. Those who are answering in the chat box and those who are opening their mouth and saying that is very important, right? Yes, super, very good. Clap hands for all the children, right? Yeah. So supercomputer is the biggest and fastest computer, right? Okay. And tell me, which computer is used for buildings and all? In shops, in schools and office and all, which type of computers is used?
Yes, very good. Yes, I'm getting answers, ma'am. Very
Okay,
good, children. Yes.
yes, that is desktop computer, right? Okay, very good. Superb. Yes. And tell me, in which type of computer you can use a pen? And what is the name of that pen? Pen-like instrument. And what is the name of that?
Yes, superb. Very good.
Yes. So, in tablet, personal computer, you use a pen-like instrument. The name of that instrument is? What is that? What is that? Stylus. Very good. Superb, dear. Yes. Okay, very good. Yes, I hope you all have listened. Yes? Okay. Yes. Okay. Yes, Kanchana ma'am, do you want to share something?
Yes, ma'am. One more thing is there, children. One thing is common in all these things, in all these type of computer. One thing is common. What is that? Yes, wonderful, superb. Yes, Nandika, absolutely. Yes, Nandana, very good. They run on electricity. They run on electricity. Okay, so now everyone, very good, Dharani. Yes, I can see many of you all responding in chat as well as those who don't know to type in chat. Yes, Niralya, very good. Those who don't know to type in chat, don't worry. Don't think that ma'am can't know how I can't type in chat. That's not a problem. You can open your mouth. Even that ma'am is hearing. Okay, children? And yes, just a reminder, children, did you all start doing your books? Yes? Yes, tomorrow is Friday, isn't it? At the end of the session, we will ask you to unmute and show your books. Yes? B section children, are you ready? Yes? E section? E section, are you ready? Yes, F section are ready. F section are always ready. Yes?
Ma'am, I don't have books, ma'am.
You don't have book, Anna. You should create a book. Yes?
Okay, ma'am.
D, E and F section children, tomorrow I'll come and see. D section is also ready. Superb. What about E section?
Ready, ma'am.
Ready. Very good. Very good. Superb. How about E section?
Ready,
E
steady,
section is
steady.
also ready. Okay. Superb. E section is also ready, Ojasvi. Wonderful. Tomorrow at the end of the session, I will ask you to unmute and show the own book
This
created
section
by
is
you.
always ready. Ready, steady, steady. Ready,
Okay,
steady.
Sailesh. Yes, D section is always ready. Superb. Okay, children. Tomorrow at the end of the session, we will ask you to unmute and show the
Ready,
books.
ma'am.
Okay, you can stick your own. You can even draw the pictures. Yes, and you can write any one simple sentence about that sentence. See, you can draw some fruits basket and you can write, I like fruits. Just a
Ready,
minute.
half of the
Okay, Sailesh, just a minute. I'm sharing an. Yes. Okay. See, you are going to create a book and you are going to draw pictures, or from magazines also you can take and stick pictures there. Okay, it should be very colorful. Yes, I'm eagerly waiting to see the books made by my children. Tomorrow you all are going to become authors. Yes, yes, your own book you are going to release tomorrow. I'm eagerly waiting to see that. Yes, children, with that we will end today's class. Yes, thank you, children. Have a wonderful day. Yes, stay safe.